Hello class, today we're going to talk about the question that deals with exterior angles of a polygon. So let's first define what a polygon is. A polygon is a closed two-dimensional shape with straight sides. So some polygons you already know are rectangles, squares, triangles, and then things like pentagons and hexagons and so forth. And now the shapes that you've been dealing with in this module have all been regular polygons, which meant they all had the same sides. All their sides were equal and all their angles were equal. So something like this. Whereas an irregular pentagon would have a shape like this, where these two sides are the same lengths, this one's a different length, and these two are another different lengths. Okay, so far in this module, you've only been dealing with regular polygons, where they're all the same sides and all the angles are the same as well. And when we talk about angles, you've known mainly angles that dealt with were interior angles, which are the angles inside of the closed shape. Something that you've been dealing with in this module has also been the exterior angles, right? When you had to code your cat to move around the shape and make those turns. So these purple angles are the exterior angles. And what's special that you were supposed to have discovered through your activities is that the exterior angles have a relationship. In a regular polygon, just like the interior angles, they're all the same. The exterior angles were also all the same. And there was different methods that we've discussed about how to do it. But one method that I wanted to share with you today is the fact that to code your cat to walk and create the closed shape, one special property or formula you could have used was 360 divided by n, where n is the number of sides. Meaning that if you wanted to know what angle to turn your cat to create the shape, you just have to divide 360 by the number of sides in your shape. So for example, here's a pentagon. So if I wanted to know, and this is only for regular polygons. So if I wanted to know what angle to turn for my pentagon, I would do 360 divided by 5. And that would produce 60 degrees. So each of these exterior angles is 60 degrees. And so I would code my cat to rotate 60 degrees each time. Okay? Let's look at another example. So here is an octagon. An octagon has 8 sides. So if I want to say, here's my cat, and I needed to go 100 steps and then turn this exterior angle, to figure out that angle, I can just take 360 and divide it by the number of sides, which in this case is 8. So the cat turns 8 times, and that 8 rotations is each 45 degrees. There is a reason why this is the case. I'm just going to quickly show you using this website. It has this really great video for you to see. So see here all the exterior angles of that pentagon. So what happens is that if you close that and make the pentagon really small, look at what happens to all those exterior angles. They form a circle, and a circle has what angle? 360 degrees rotation. So as you can see, if you close down the shape of any regular shape or irregular shape, it always adds up to 360. So the property is that the exterior angles of any closed shape always adds up to 360, which is why we can use this formula of 360 divided by the number of sides to figure out each exterior angle for a regular polygon. Okay, so I hope that helps. Good luck.